Have you ever had the feeling that your passwords were working against you when you needed to access a crucial website? Yeah, I know that feeling too well. There's a way out of this mess. Let me introduce Bitwarden. All your logins, cards, identifications, and notes in one secure vault. And check out the super strong password generator. Access your stuff anytime, anywhere, across all your devices. Say goodbye to typing. Bitwarden's browser extension handles it. Get organized, stay secure, and worry-free Zinc. Bitwarden's got our back, with end-to-end encryption and zero knowledge for your eyes only. Don't let passwords stress you. Experience simplicity. Tell your friends, your family, and your coworkers. Get started at bitwarden.com.